for in Valtech High Tech for past 12 years. Okay, I'm going to handle you for this semester computer networks. Okay, once again. Okay, okay, we can continue. I'm going to take for you this semester computer networks. What do you mean? Do you heard about what do you mean by computer networks? Anybody else define computer networks? What is the purpose of using computer networks? What is the usage of computer networks? Can you able to define anybody else? Your own definition also. Whatever you know, you can able to tell. It's no problem. It's the rights or not wrong. Okay, ma. Sharing concept. Arsha Vardhan replied as in chat box. Okay. Okay, we can discuss about first of all, your subject code is CS859191 is a subject code and computer networks is subject. What we are going to discuss in this subject means I will be briefly introduction given for each and every unit what you are going to discuss about each and every unit. Okay, first of all, I'm going to give the only introduction part of the today class only. What you are going to discuss in this syllabus, what we're going to discuss in 5 units, that only we are going to discuss in this class. Okay. First of all, in first unit, we are going to discuss about introduction and physical layers. Introduction means what are all topics we are going to discuss about means what are defined networks and then different types of networks and then we are going to what in the normally we are going to in networks we are using two types of protocols or two types of layers or two types of models. That is one type is TCP/IP. TCP means transmission control protocol and then internet protocol. This is one type of model and then another model is OSI, open source interface. That is another type of model. These two types are the intermediate connection between two devices or two systems will be connected. We are using now currently we are using based upon the TCP/IP protocol. TCP/IP protocol uses 4 layers. Each and every model that can be divided into 4 layers. In TCP/IP we are using 4 layers, and then in OSI model we are using 7 layers. Based upon that transmission media we are going to discuss about and then switching concept. We are going to about switching concept in that first units. Once again, Okay, sorry for interruption. I got the call, one important call from, so I can't interruption. Okay, in first unit we are going to discuss about introduction and physical layer. Okay, once again I will share that. Okay, you can able to see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's a syllabus. I am sharing your syllabus. CS 8591 computer networks. It's the main objective of studying this syllabus is subject is first of all we want to understand the protocol layers and the physical level communication. Physical level communication means in the sense we are communicating with one system to another system or sharing the data with one system to another system is a physical level communication. With the wired communication or wireless communication, we are sharing the information with the wired communication or wireless communication. We can able to see based upon this level of communications. Okay. Next is to analyze the performance of a network. Analyze means based upon different types of networks are there. In what way we are going to share the particular data to a particular source to destination. That is the main purpose of performance of a network. Within what type you are going to share a particular data with the wired network or wireless network, on what way we are sharing the network. That is to performance of a network. Next objective is to understand various components required to build a different networks. Different components means based upon the different components. Once again. Okay, and then to learn about in routing protocols. Routing protocols means there are different types of routing protocols. That is distance vector and then link state vector routing protocols are there. Based upon that, and what type of routing protocols we are using to reach a destination in the shortest path or any other process of sharing the data, in what way we are sharing the data, these are all comes under the routing protocols. Okay, next we are going to study about transport layer, family functions and protocols in transport layer. Transport layer is one type of layers in the OSI layer, okay, or one type of layer in TCP/IP protocol layer. That comes under the, we are going to see the functions of a transport layer. That comes under the one of the main parts of the in the networks concepts. Okay, in first units we are going to study it. I already told no. In first unit we are going to discuss about introduction and the physical layer. In introduction means first of all we are going to see first networks and then network types. Network types are different types of what are LAN network, what are different types of network. Anybody else tell? LAN, WAN, MAN. What do you mean by LAN? Anybody else define?
Local area network.
Local area network. Where it can be used? Local area network, where it can be used? In which places it can be used? What are the places in local area network can be used? Yeah, tell me. The local area network can be used within a building, can be used as a local area network. We are in your college, we are using no, within a lab or within a one lab to another lab communication. These are all comes under the local area network. Likewise, MAN, metropolitan area, means building to building within a particular place. For example, we can say we are sharing the data with from high tech to multi tech, or high tech to arts college within a particular one building to another building. That is comes under the metropolitan area network. Okay, then one worldwide area network. Worldwide area network is we can say as a internet. We are using internet as a worldwide area network. Okay, these are all the types, some of the types we are going to discuss about the network types. Okay, next protocol layers can be, we are going to discuss about TCP/IP protocol and then OSI model. In protocol means what you are going to see is based upon the in what type of network we are sharing the data. That is one type of model is TCP/IP protocol or OSI model. Okay, in TCP/IP protocol only we are assigning a, for each and every system we are assigning the one IP address for a particular system, or we are based upon the one common IP address can be shared to share the internet, or to share the from server to client process, all to be done in the TCP/IP protocol. TCP/IP means what I told no. TCP means transmission control protocol. IP means internet protocol. Okay. OSI model is another type of process that can be used as another type of protocol used in the protocol layering. Okay, physical layer. Then next in first unit we are going to physical layer performance. Physical layer means that is in OSI layer 7 layers we are going to discuss about 7 layers. What are 7 layers means? First of all, physical layer. Machine learning languages comes under the physical layer, zeros and ones. And then data link layer is a next level of bits conversion. Next is network layer. Next is transport layer, session layer, application layer. Likewise, step by step process 7 layers can be done in the OSI model. Okay. Next is transmission media. Transmission media in the sense, what are the transmission media means? In what way we are using the what cable we are using a cable as a wire twisted pair cable. In telephone lines and all we are using no landline telephone number, landline telephone line using transmission media. Media in what way we are sharing the data from one source to destination. That is a transmission media. In telephone lines and all using is a twisted pair cable. Coaxial cable is in the sense we are using from dish to TV connection. That is a coaxial cable. That based upon the dish we are having in a home, we are having a dish connection. From the dish to we are connecting a particular cable is connected to the particular television or TV or set-top box we are connecting, means that cable is connected as a coaxial cable. Okay, likewise the transmission media comes under the different types of cables which are connected to for sharing the data. That also comes under the transmission media. Okay, next we are going to switching concept. Switching means that is circuit switching and packet switching. Circuit means we are sharing the data in what way means in the in what way means based upon switching circuit based upon circuit concept switching or packet in if we are going to send the data on Word document means that can be sent in a packet basis, that can be split into n number of packets that can be sent to each one by one. Okay, that is a packet switching concept. These are all the concept we are going to discuss about in the first unit. Okay, next unit we are going to discuss about data link layer. Data link layer is a second layer in the OS model. Data link layer in the sense we are going to discuss about what are the we are connection devices, what you are with, in what way we are going to share the devices. Here concept you are going to discuss here is wireless network and then Bluetooth and connecting devices. These are all concepts we are going to discuss in the data link layer. In what way we are going to share the data in transmission media access. That is in the sense in what way wireless Ethernet token ring. We are going to discuss about Ethernet token ring, wireless LAN. This and all comes under the data link layer or media access. Okay. In third unit we are going to discuss about network layer. Network layer in the sense in network layer we are going to see about already IP is there, internet protocol. Internet protocol can be divided into two types of internet protocol that can be used as a IPv4 and IPv6. In normally we are using in communication between one system to another system, we are using a IPv4. We are sharing For example, we are assigned one IP address 120.10.2.10 like that. One IP address I assigned to one computer one, and another IP address is 2. That can be shared with the help of the IPv4 address only. Based upon this IPv4 address only, the data can be shared with one system to another system. For each and every system there will be a IP address and then MAC address. Based upon the IP address and MAC address only, the communication between two systems are configured together, and then data can be shared with each other. That are the main concept we are going to see in the network layer. And then we are going to see about the routing algorithm. Routing algorithm means in what way, if routing means what? If for example we can say from Coimbatore to reach the college, what are the different paths? That is a routing process from to reach a destination. Source is a Coimbatore, particular place, and then destination we can say as a our Welltech High Tech College. In what way we can reach the shortest path? We are going to find the shortest path to reach the destination without any affection or without any distraction or any disturbance. With shorter, if we are searching the path without any traffic distribution at the time of traveling one place to another place without any disturbance, means we are searching we can say as a Google map also. We are searching from one place to another place, Google map. We can say shortest path, routes will be different. Without any traffic we are going to see, means we are searching a destination as a unique path is assigned as a unique path is that is a routing algorithm. We are going to see about the routing algorithm. To find the path between the source and destination is assigned as a routing algorithm. Okay. And then next we are in fourth unit we are going to discuss about the transport layers. Transport layers in that sense we are based upon the either you are using as a TCP protocol or UDP protocol. UDP means connectionless protocol. It's a connectionless means we are using as a Wi-Fi device, which is a common device that is not with the connected with wired connection is we can say as a connection orient TCP transmission control. TCP we can say as a connection oriented protocol. UDP can be say as a connectionless protocol. UDP means in the sense we can share the data with any type of device. Okay, can be we can say as a UDP protocol. TCP is a wired communication. With the help of wired only, we are sharing the data from one system to another system. That can be as a cell, which can be assigned as a TCP protocol. With the wired communication, we can say from one wired communication from one system to another system, data sharing can be done with the help of wired communication. Okay, that comes under the TCP protocol. Okay. Finally, in 5th unit, we are going to discuss about the application layer. Application layer means www dot means what? World Wide Web. That is, if you are going to search in opening the Google means what you are going to type in browser. What you are typing? www.google.com. That is, we are connecting the browser address. That is application layer from the client to server. We are calling the Google server based upon the World Wide Web protocol. That is one type of protocol. That is based upon the likewise HTTP protocol, hypertext transmission protocol, hypertext transfer protocol. Based upon the I am request typing. Based upon that, I am typing in browser www.google.com. In that, what you are showing that the HTTP protocol is calling the particular Google server from google.com that can be retrieved to the client side. That is based upon the HTTP protocol only that can be done. Okay, email, we are checking the email, and then FTP means file transfer protocol, and then DNS, domain name system, and then system simple network management protocol. DSMNP means simple network management protocol, and then telnet. We are already studied about telnet. What do you mean by telnet? Means we are able to say telnet means if a client, we are already studied about telnet server. Telnet you are studied in operating system. No, in telnet what you are going to study? In telnet going to server, connect the server. In the based upon the server, we are going to connect the clients, n number of clients. Based upon that only, we are going to communication between the client and the server. Okay, these are all process comes under in the application layer. Okay, any other doubts? We can. I have seen about the overview of computer network syllabus. We can discuss this prescribed book is Ferozan. We can discuss we can use the reference as a Ferozan book. That's topic is data communication and network. And then references books are Larry L. Peterson. That is comes under these are all references books. We can able to refer. Okay, this is a syllabus copy. Okay, any other doubts in overview of your syllabus? Okay, we can discuss in next class. Remaining, we can start the topics in next class, first unit. Okay, you have any doubts in the syllabus?
No, sir.
Okay, we can finish the meeting. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.